honesty is just, I mean, that's, to me, honesty and respect. That's the main thing that any student should have for anybody at this school.
Here at San Benito High School, we have many students willing to follow the Baler Code. Here is a classic example of two students from different classes being civil with each other with a very classy conversation. As you can see, this is just one example of the many types of civil students at our high school that are willing to live the Baler Code each and every day.